Hi everyone. Luke asked for a quick demonstration, so I thought I would oblige. I actually used my new setup this morning with a group of fantastic Portuguese students. We were doing a negotiation exercise around the Flash of Genius case. Maybe you've seen the movie. And so I might switch from a view where I show my slides, and you can imagine below my camera, you could imagine sort of the Zoom gallery, and that sort of lives on my laptop, which is linked to my main computer using the Camlink Pro. And then I can, they negotiate and they're in teams and they negotiate against each other. And if they work out a deal, at the end, I ask them what's the structure of the deal and sort of the amounts that they agreed on, and so I can switch to the document camera part. And so this is what it looks like. And so this is using my sort of upside down mirrorless camera, as well as a simple notepad on my green screen mouse pad. And I thought it worked really great. If I need to, I can zoom very as easily just by sort of adjusting the dial. And I have sort of a light, which is a very simple, not especially expensive light, LED light, this little cube, which sort of illuminates the mouse pad in just the right way. So that worked really quite well. I happen to like to write with pen and paper. I much prefer that to writing with an iPad. That's just me. Your mileage will vary. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.